Hi, guys. Hi, guys. How are you? No, you're not going to have it, John. I'm taking your picture. I'm taking your picture. I'm taking your picture so you can see yourself on the computer. Hi, Lauren in the front and Bridget in the back. Let me take a picture of Gore. Can you see Gore? See Grandma? Hi. Let's take a picture of your sissies. Hi, Bridget. Hi. Hi, Lauren. Just a second.